Hello, I am Vivek, and this is my submission for Hack the Mountain 2021. So I have built a project called BlockFund, which is a decentralized way to raise funds for social causes. It's built on top of Tezos blockchain. So when you go to the website called blockfund.viz, so here you will find the latest causes, which are basically the reason for which you're trying to raise the fund. You can actually donate any one of these, and if you want to create a new cause, you can also create it. When you scroll down, you will find the latest fund, which are actually the transactions that are being done, or the funds that are transferred by the people to this smart contract. If you want to create a cause, you can click on the add cause. Here, first of all, you can provide a title, for example, planting trees. Then just connect to the wallet first, then submit. Now you need to sign the transaction, so just click on the confirm. It will take up a while and it will give you the hash and block ID and chain ID in a while. Once you get the block ID and chain ID, you can go to the home page and you will find your cause. So you can see planting trees. If somebody wants to donate to this particular cause, you can click on this donate button. And first of all, you need to create the connect to the wallet, and then he can select the account from which he wants to donate, and then he can put the amount of Tezos he wants to donate and click on the submit button. Again, you need to sign the transaction, and after that it will take up a while to actually generate this transaction and save it to the blockchain. Once you sign it, here you can see we are trying to send 7 Tezos from my wallet to the smart contract. Click on the confirm. It will take up a while to give you the generated chain ID and block ID. You need to wait for a while to actually get the chain and block ID. Once you get it, you can go to the home page, and when you go to the planting trees cause, you will find that in total it raised the 7 Tezos, and you will also see the latest transaction is done, and we have funded the 7 Tezos from this account. Now, for example, if the user wants to withdraw the transaction, who is the owner, only the owner can withdraw it. So he can actually go to the withdraw page, and then he can select his cause, for example, the planting trees, and then he can actually connect to his wallet. So if I try to connect to a different wallet, for example, account 3, and now if I try to withdraw, so you will see that it is going to give me an error once I sign it, an error, and which will indicate that you cannot withdraw the fund. So in order to withdraw it, first of all, you need to provide the actual account. So you need to sign the transaction with the actual account. So we'll go to the planting trees again, and here we will connect to the wallet, and this time I will select the wallet account 2 and then connect. And then here if I try to click on the withdraw, and now if I try to sign the transaction, once I click on the confirm, it will initiate the transaction. Once you get the block ID and chain ID, if you go to the home page, you will see that the transaction, the planting tree cause is now going to have 0 Tezos, and if I check my wallet, 7 Tezos are being transferred to my wallet. So this is the platform. This is how we can raise fund and we can withdraw the fund. Only owner can withdraw the fund. Built using Tezos, Linode, Nginx, Vue.js, and Quasar. To know more about the tech stack and how I built it, please read the README file of the repository.